What do you got in there, Honor? Oh, look at this here.
I got it. This is like a big one. Papa, this.
Oh, look, it's another jasper here. Wait. Where is it? Here. Wait a minute. What happened, Behin? You tired? Hmm?
Papa, take a pill.
Wait a minute, yeah. Oh.
Papa,
Hmm?
get the apple.
Oh, you find another one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Which one you found? Oh, that one's very big. Too big. What is this? Oh, that's glass. Be careful. That's Sharpie. Don't touch. You're gonna cut your finger. Oh, this is glass. See? You gotta be careful. Don't touch it with the finger. You cut your finger and make a boo-boo. Look. See? Look. It's Sharpie. Very sharp glass. Be careful. Okay.
What is this?
Oh, that's a big one behind.
Yeah. Oh, baby.
You think you can get it out?
Yeah.
No, I think it's too big.